Another video with no makeup on. I'm getting used to this now. So today's video, I actually am partnering with Seranova. I don't know if you've heard of microneedling. I've tried different microneedling techniques, like the roller one. It freaking hurts and everything. I wanted to finally find something that I could do at home on my own that won't feel annoying. So I already used it, which I'm gonna show you guys right after the step-by-step and me applying it. I feel great and I'm very confident to talk about it. So that's why I'm here partnering with them, because I tried it out, tested it out. You will get this kit right here. I'll have it down below. I even have a code as well. This is the Microneedling Infusion Kit, anti-aging solution. So it diminishes the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and one of the best things that I like about it is it boosts your collagen. That's mostly why I like to use microneedling with some really great serums. But this one, the serum is peptide infusion serum, and you get 2 of those, and you also get 2 24 gold plated micro infusion devices. This is how tiny it is. I have a little extra left over, so I'm just gonna finish applying this on my hand or my neck, both. So yeah, I'm really excited. So in 2 weeks, I get to use the other one, and then it says just stay consistent with it for at least 3 months to really notice like the difference. I finally found one that actually like feels great. You can feel the little needles, but it's not making me bleed. It's not poking me too hard, and I just really like this brand. Don't forget to click the links at the bottom, and thank you Seranova for partnering with me. I'm so excited. Skincare is something that I'm so passionate about, especially being in my 40s. I am obsessed and I love sharing with my viewers, you guys. So continue watching to see how I get this going. Okay, it's super simple. So first I'm just opening up the 24 karat gold plated micro infusion device. And now we're gonna open up the peptide infusion serum so then we can pour it inside the bottle. Just pop that plastic off and you're gonna follow where the arrows are so you know which direction. And then you just simply pull it over to the side just like this. So it's not that complicated. So then once you remove that, then you take off that gray top right there and then you pour it into the device bottle, but you know what I mean. So after you filled it up, then you're just going to put the cap back on, and then you're going to have it upside down for about 2 minutes to ensure the serum is actually going towards the needles. After about 2-3 minutes, then you could go ahead and lift the top off, and that will show you the needles. And I'm going to show you them up close. Do not be nervous if this is your first time. They will not hurt you. You just got to follow instructions, be gentle, and you will be fine. So right before you start applying it on your face, first test it out on your hand. And luckily I did, because when I pushed down, I noticed the serum wasn't coming out. So then I had to just shake the bottle and then it finally was coming out. And now for the fun part, and that's actually going inward to outward, just pushing down gently, and then you are microneedling at home, and it's really cool. So you could use this all over your face, including your lips and your neck and the top of your hands. Just avoid the eye area. And whatever's left over, you could just pour that serum onto your hands and apply it on your face, hands, and neck. And yeah, that's it. So if you're interested, the link will be down below, and don't forget to use my code. Bye.